Thank you for picking Garbs Flight Files to fly with for this flight, and we're back in Aerofly. We're going to be looking at the Cessna 172 SP. Now I'm currently at San Francisco, the international airport. The cockpit is really good, but let's start by bringing the throttle up to full. That sounds really cool. So the sea, there's lots and lots of other like Cessnas here. Shame these aren't flyable. And we're up at the ground. We're off the ground. Let's just take like a fly around. This is really good. Do you guys really like to see the first impressions video of Aerofly 2? You guys really seem to enjoy that. So I'm doing more Aerofly videos. Oh, this is good. But back to talking about the Cessna 172 SP. This is really nice to fly. This is really cool. Though the water looks static. Not very good. So the Cessna 172 SP is probably one of my most favourite aircraft of all time to fly. It's probably one of my favourite GA planes because it's used so much. Well, let's just lower down the speed. This is one of the most used planes in the world, and I'm really excited to see this in Aerofly. I know I was really excited to see it in Aerofly 1 as well, because I like the Cessna 172 quite a bit. So it's pretty cool to see it back in Aerofly 2. We are in the default colour scheme of the Cessna 172. There were two other colour schemes, which I'm going to show you, and I will be right back with the second colour scheme. Okay, so we are back. We're in we are back. We're in Tahoe. We're in the Blue Wave variant of the Cessna 172 SP. It doesn't look particularly different, but as you can see, it's got more of like a wave. And on the tail, just a minor difference. On the tail of the last one, it was the American flag. Now it's the German flag. But we're in Tahoe International. Let's just the scenery in Aerofly is really good. What do you guys think of these Aerofly plane reviews? Comment down below. Do you like Aerofly? Would it be cool to see more of these plane reviews? Because I'm gonna be planning some new series for this channel, and like things like, I know my Minecraft Lord of the Rings series is gonna be turned into something different. Clash of Clans is still gonna be the same. I'm starting up a new. Oh my goodness, Hercules! C-130 Hercules. That's really cool. I'm gonna be starting up a brand new game on this channel. And I'm also going to be doing a video on RC planes. All of those are going to be coming up. Oh yes, Skyhawk is coming back. Oh, why are there trees in the middle of that road? Okay. Skyhawk is going to be coming back as well, which I'm really excited to do again. But we're getting off topic from Aerofly. I've always liked the look of Aerofly. Even, I might do like a video on Aerofly 1 as well. Although I have it. Aerofly one's on my iPad. I do own a copy on my PC as well, but I mostly want to do the mobile version of Aerofly. But let's just focus on Aerofly 2 right now, because I'm using the Steam version of Aerofly 2. Wow, this is some pretty stunning things that we're getting here in Tahoe. Now you can see there's the city of Tahoe back there. And this is really cool. You guys seem to like Aerofly too. At least by my first impressions video, I could tell that was going to be a pretty good video. Also, thanks so much from the bottom of my heart for reaching 10 subscribers. Mind blowing. My channel has been up for nearly 2 months and we have hit 11 subscribers. Mind blowing. But I'm gonna go on to the classic colour scheme, which is the last colour scheme of the Cessna 172 SP, and I will see you back in the classic scheme of the Cessna 172. We are at Sierra Vista Municipal. Now let's just get straight to the flying now. This colour scheme is much different. I'm also in a more deserty area. Yeah, the other two were like white and blue. This one's like more of like a creamy burgundy peachy colour. And I'm on the smaller runway on Sierra Vista Municipal. Also, if to get this you would have to get the Utah expansion for Aerofly 2, I think. Sorry. But this colour scheme is way different. This is the classic colour scheme for the Cessna 172. Probably my favourite of all of them is probably the blue wave one. Now this airport that I'm flying is in the middle of the American desert. No, a lot of the airports in here are in the American desert. Let's be pretty close. I know there's a lot of other things in Aerofly. Like I know, unlike FSX or Prepared, when you crash, like you get like your wings fall off and things like that. I think that's really cool. But let's focus on the flying. Look, this looks really nice. This might be one of the screenshots of my thumbnail. If you see that on my thumbnail, then that's just because it looks really nice. But while I'm doing this, let's just look around at the scenery. Oh, it's like a soccer pitch. All sorts of things. Also, I'm going to be bringing Warhammer to this channel, like painting guides and things. I currently have a pretty big Nurgle army for Age of Sigmar, and I do the Ultramarines on 40k. But thank you for picking Garbs Flight Files to fly with for this episode. Thank you so much for flying with Garbs Flight Files, and we'll see you again in the next episode.